Yes, hello sir, or madam. My name I'm called Mutumba Mark. I'm born from Uganda and I'm 27 years old. I have a bachelor's degree in geographical sciences, which I got from Makerere University, Kampala, Uganda in 2022. And later I achieved a diploma in animal husbandry and crop production in 2024 while I was on my internship still in Denmark. And I also gained a certificate for dairy farm production in Denmark from Brixter Training Institute. My working experience is I work with dairy farm. I deal with cows, especially milking and feeding. I know how to drive Bobman, Shepherd, and I know how to deal with milking cows which are yet to give birth, and I also know how to detect mastitis and how to give sugar to the cows and also to help them give birth. I can also do feeding of the young cows depending on the temperature and the weathers. Yeah, basically I assume I'm going to basically that's what I can do in the farm, and I'm ready to gain more skills. I have 18 years experience. Yeah. Thank you very much, and I'll be glad and happy to work with you on your farm. Thank you.